Hi, I'm Maria Pickering. I'm the new Mercer Island High School librarian, and I'm super excited to give you a little information about the renovation and some of the changes that we're going to be making. First, let's start by thinking about libraries of old. They were super quiet places where you really focused on information retrieval. Your goal was to get books or journals, magazines, newspapers, and to sit quietly, read them, and study. We're changing things. Thanks to technology, we need to change things. Let's take a look at this chart. Here you'll see a comparison of the traditional library, which we talked about, collections-oriented textbook and book transactions, really just focus on the transmission of knowledge and the physical space. Let's compare this to what we're trying to accomplish in Mercer Island High School. We're trying to achieve a progressive learning commons. Learning commons is a shared place, and in this space, all kinds of things are happening. Students have different needs. Not only do they access the traditional items like textbooks, books, magazines, etc., but they also access services. In addition to using the space for a variety of different things like working with teams, working with our classes, hanging out, relaxing, doing all the fun stuff that we need to give that space for social emotional learners nowadays. We're focusing on the creation of knowledge rather than just transmission, and the resources extend beyond just library books. So we're trying to get different tools, technology tools, fun creative tools into the library. We're trying to create some zones for different types of work, independent, group work, class work, meeting spaces. And we're trying to also, and it's really been worked on and built out, but create an online research center so students can access library materials and needs beyond the physical space. Let's take a look at this new renovation plan. Some of the things that we talked about were zones. So if you take a look at the orange area, that is the nonfiction section. It will still be the nonfiction section, but in this space, it's going to become a study zone during the day that we can enclose it with a clear wall, and that it's retractable. So that'll be really nice for classes to check out and use if they need to use it, or just during the day for students to work quietly and independently. This separation allows for a more collaborative and lively area for the students. And you can see if you follow the green arrow that there are booths and tables that students can sit at to work with each other. There's also a yellow lounge area where students can relax. And then in the top right-hand corner, you'll see a student print center near the door, very convenient for students, and the circulation desk, which now will come out further so that the librarian, me, or whoever's at the front desk can greet students and assist them right away when they walk in. Everything will be on casters, and that will keep the furniture flexible. So as we need to modify the space for different needs, those wheels will let us move things around how we need to. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. And in the video, you'll get to see some of our library renovation committee and learn more about this awesome renovation from library into learning commons. Let's start with the digital space. There's been a complete renovation of the online research center. Students can access databases for research from home or school, the Mercer Island Library catalog, where they can put books on hold or renew. There are a variety of digital news sources to access from home or school, video sources as well. Students can learn about the digital research process through this Padlet. And then we also have citation guides and tools available for students. After that, you can return back to our main website. Check it out when you get a chance. We have a wonderful library student committee helping us with our renovation.
We have Rose Siddique, Henry Thomas, Rhett Hounsel, Nico Olshan, Elliot Chester, and Yasmin Mohammed. One of the questions the committee asked the student body was, what would you like to see, hear, feel in the library that would communicate a safe place for learning? We had quite a variety of answers. Here are a few of them. A comfortable space, a place for introverted people, a library with beanbag chairs, somewhere cozy, people talking and working at the same time, collaboration-friendly seating options, designated zones for social or quiet areas, spaces outside of the 6 tables to work, more books in different languages, and a different environment for different types of people. We asked the student body to dream big about what they would want in a learning commons. They asked for quiet zones, collaboration zones, better Wi-Fi, music, private booth, a football viewing room, manga, supplies, laptop, a cafe, a new student printer. Thanks to the PTA, we were able to fulfill some requests right away.
Hi, my name is Mercer and I am part of the Library Renovation Committee. And here we have a manga collection. Per request, we are now having manga and hoping to grow a manga collection in the library. So please grab one that you want to read.
Hey, I'm Yaz. I'm new to the Library Renovation Committee, where here our goal is to provide more creative tools for our students in Mercer Island High to use. For example, here we have the button maker, or pin maker, where students can take a brief course and learn how to make their own pins.
Hi, my name is Nico Olshan. I'm part of the library committee, and while we were doing the survey, students had requested a collaborative zone over here and a quiet zone over here. So there will be a huge glass wall stretching from here to there, which is completely retractable, separating the two sides. Another request from the survey was some music in the library, so there will be music which the students can request over on that side.
What do students do in the library nowadays? Let's take a look at a survey we gave to the students. These are a variety of reasons they shared why they visit the library. Let's take a peek at what the students are doing in the Learning Commons.